For this session, we're going to talk about lot tracking and traceability. We're going to focus on how you can utilize voice with this particular feature or need to capture extra data that might be associated with a lot number or batch number on a product. So for me, I like to choose one of my favorite snacks, and that's mini peppers. So I got a bag right here, and you can kind of see on that bag that there is a barcode there. And that's a GS1 128 barcode that contains some extra data in there. And you can see that it has in this barcode the different codes that are in there. And one of those is actually for a batch number. So as a part of that, I'm going to use this as my example for my product that I want to have. Now I've gotten to the point in the task where I've signed on, I've got my function, I've got my region, I'm ready to go to sample this particular one. So all I need to do is go ahead and put on the headset, and I want to follow the picking process and as to what that is. So let me go ahead and do that real quick.
To receive word, say ready.
Ready.
First check digit set, say ready.
Ready.
File 032.
Ready.
011-02.
At this point, it's asking me for the check digit. 773.
Hit
2.
Lot number,
Scan.
quantity for this lot number,
2.
011-03.
Talkman sleep.
Topman, good night.
Okay, so I was able to utilize the scanner. Now in this particular example, I did use the built-in scanner that's on the A730X unit. There's one that's on the end of there. Ideally though, that's probably just more for inducting pallets or inducting your labor, so as you're getting your assignments. So this is kind of like part-time scanning. For a lot of scanning, if you had to do this for every pick, you may want to consider doing a back of hand scanner like the one I'm wearing right here, which is 8675i. I haven't integrated it for this example. I'm merely using my Talkman device for this particular one. But this is again just to show you that there are ways to perform this activity. Also, I don't necessarily need a scanner. What if this barcode is ripped? It just so happens my barcode is pretty ripped, so the scanner's pretty good with how I was able to capture that image. But if I only was able to say maybe the last 4 digits of this one, you could also utilize that one as well. So let me go ahead and sample that one right here. So let me turn this back on.
011-03.
927
Hit
2.
Lot number,
Alpha Romeo 21
quantity for this lot number,
2.
picking complete, deliver to 7.
Talkman sleep. Okay, so again, this is just merely a sample just to show you that how the process could actually work and how you could incorporate this into your picking application. It depends on how the need is. It might need to be captured as a part of the inbound process and outbound process from the warehouse. But if the need is there to capture it at the location, you could incorporate both voice and scanning or just purely voice to capture that information. Hopefully you guys learned a lot in this video. Time for me to get a little stuff.